for you and all. I'm doing this presentation in English. Myself, I'm Siddiqui, and welcome you all to this Forsage project. This project is first ever 100% decentralized metrics project. Okay, and we can earn here lots of Ethereum because this total concept is based on Ethereum. Ethereum is the second largest cryptocurrency in the world, and in the form of technology, it is number one. When it was launched in 2015 by Vitalik Buterin, it was just $1, and in this, the Ethereum has gone to $1,400 benchmark, and then in upcoming days, the market experts are telling within 12 to 24 months, one Ethereum will cross the bar of $2,000. It will cross definitely $2,000 benchmark in just within 1 to 2 years. Okay, and this all project Forsage project is built on smart contract because it is built on Ethereum. Okay, this smart contract is so much strong that no hackers can hack it. Okay, and all data can be seen because it is 100% decentralized. What the contract has been made, it cannot be changed when it is implemented. Okay, and the visionary founder of Forsage is Mr. Lado Okonito sir. You can see Okoniko sir. Mr. Lado Okonito sir, who is from Russia, and he has an experience of more than 15 years in that software development and cryptocurrency market, and technical support given by John Turner sir to him. Just from Forsage project, we can earn more and more Ethereum because it is smart contract based. Nobody can change the plan, real time payout. We can use Trust Wallet in the phone, and on PC and laptop we can use MetaMask, and on phone we can use Token Pocket. And all the payouts which comes in this project is real time payout which come directly to our wallet. Here we are having win-win situation because we can start the business with just 0.05 Ethereum. The marketplace just approx near about almost $15. Just at the cost of $15, near about $15, we can start up this business, and we can do a smart work, and we can become the billionaires like these photos which are shown in this slide. You can see all billionaires. And Forsage revolutionary smart contract technology is boosted on Forsage project. That is why it is a next generation revolutionary smart contract technology. And Forsage is not a get rich quick scheme. It is a next generation real project. 100% of the income goes directly to the members with zero risk. Here, no admin is there, no company is there, no particular account is there to the accounts, to the means company account. Nothing is going because here it is going public to public. It is delivered public to public, member to member. 100% of the investment of given by you or me is goes directly to the members of Forsage project. Forsage, the first ever 100% decentralized metrics project. The business plan, we can see the business plan of Forsage is divided in two slabs. We can say this, we will see in details how action we are doing, we will get the reward like that. And Forsage consists of two portions. Working club is there, which is called X3. 100% of enrollee amount we can get in X3 Forsage club, and non-working club is X4. Income from upline, crossline, and downline we can get in Forsage X4, the non-working club. First, when I registered in the system, I have to just put 0.05 Ethereum to join. And when I join with 0.05 Ethereum, one placement in Forsage X3 as I can get of the amount of 0.025 because it's split in two, and one placement in Forsage X4 as 0.025 Ethereum. As the 0.05 split in two, and we get placement in Forsage X3 and Forsage X4. Let's see the details about Forsage X3, the working club. For example, Mr. X introduce you. You introduce two people in the business, and for the first two referral, you will get 100% paid of the slot income which they have purchased or which they are joining under you. And whenever you bring third people in the system, third person in the system will take a reinvest, and this cycle will start again. Means you will get two-time payment, and third one will go reinvest again and again. This cycle will be recycled and reinvested and rebuy the X3 working slot, and this will continue with n number of times. And it is world's smallest 3 by 3 matrix, okay, and which is just a single level matrix. Here every third person will reinvest in the system, and again we will get two payment 100%, and third one goes to upline. Okay, in the Forsage X3 dashboard you can see you are there, which is an ID. Below you, when you place two people, two person, you get 100% of them, and the third person is reinvested in the system, which go to upline directly, which is shown in the this screen on with pink color or red color, you can say. At the dashboard, we can see Forsage X3 12 slots or 12 packages, we can say. When you come with one Ethereum standard, we are promoting one Ethereum. For Forsage X3, we recommend 0.1, it means starting 3 slabs or slot or package, you can say. Okay. Now we will see the details on non-working club X4. Mr. X introduce you. You introduce two people, first two person. Income will directly goes to your upline. First two person which is introduced in X4, the income goes directly to your upline. Okay, third, fourth, and fifth person introduced by you, you will get it 100% of them. Okay, and when you introduce sixth person, again this will go reinvest in the system and rebuy the package, and the cycle will start again. In simple words, three payment will be received by you and three will go to upline, and it is not compulsion that the upline will be your immediate. It can go to upline to upline to upline, anyone. Okay, here the cycle is just 2 to is 2 by 4 matrix, and this is world's smallest matrix, that is just two level. And unique thing is there's a one joining also. After your two joinings, it pay you 100%. Here we will get means 3% placement will go to upline and 3% payment will come to us, and this cycle again will continue n number of times, and which will give us n number of time income for this. On dashboard page of Forsage X4, we can see your ID, and below you first and second will directly, which is showing in just violet color, it will go to upline, and third, fourth, fifth income will you goes to directly to you, and the 6% it will reinvest in the system, rebuy the package again, and it will go to upline. Like this, we are getting in Forsage X4 three payment to the upline, and three we are getting directly as 100%. Okay. And dashboard of Forsage X4 is like this: 12 slots, 12 package, you can say. And we recommend with one Ethereum. For Forsage X3, just 3 slot, lastly I said. And for Forsage X4, we recommend 5 slots, still 0.4. And this, while we are working regularly, we should remember this mark. Whenever it shows on screen on before slot, we have to purchase immediately the next upcoming slot urgently, immediately, fastly. This is an upgrade warning sign in the system. Okay, for example, let's say when the fifth slot is showing this sign, we have to buy very soon the sixth slot. And this is just two examples given by us, given by this in this we can see that is Forsage X3 and Forsage X4. when we start up with the business just with the initiation of 0.05 Ethereum and we duplicate 3% in the system, if they duplicate the 3%, means 3 by 3 matrix, if they all duplicate it, so we can earn in 12 weeks 613 Ethereum. And in Forsage Expo, we can earn 817 Ethereum. Means totally, if we add up more than 1400 plus, we can get it Ethereum. And it depends on our action. If we do the work less, we will get less Ethereum. If we do the work team building fast, we will get more than that as shown in the chart. And as per means the guidelines, we are aware that from last 4 to 5 months in India, the cryptocurrency is 100% legal and more than 20 exchanges are operating in India where we can sell and purchase Ethereum from our Indian currency. Okay. And especially we recommend Zappay, Unocoin, WazirX and Geotas because they are very user friendly and very user friendly interface and we can easily operate it anytime by 24 by 7 we can sell and purchase Ethereum from them here. And in addition, you want any other exchange, you can buy from there also, no issues there. And for more detail regarding Forsage project, you can visit firstly to forsage.io website and then on Google and YouTube, you can study more about Forsage project. And for the smart contract and technology, you can visit etherscan.io. Okay. And this is I finished my business presentation and thank you. And I hope so. Just see the all business concept. Just go through Google, go through YouTube. Don't waste your time. Join as soon as possible in Forsage project, which is 100% decentralized and 100%